How to stitch on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stitch from your TikTok account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Then from your feed, choose any video that you would like to stitch. Tap on the share icon on your right. Then you will see an option that says stitch and simply cut off the video to which you would like to start your stitch. Once you have cut the portion of the video that you would like to stitch, just add some of yours too, and once done, tap on to next. Just like so, this is how you will be able to stitch a video on your TikTok. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.